P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it.
When the war ended in 1945, Minnie Freeman Lee insisted on moving back to Linford, and the caretakers were given notice to quit. The house had fallen badly into neglect, and she found it easier to occupy just one or two rooms on the ground floor and leave the rest covered in dust sheets. Her last surviving son, Jack, died in 1946. With no close family nearby to suggest otherwise, she told neighbours and welfare workers that Winford was her home and she intended to remain there until the end. She would smoke as many as 46 as it passed the prison, with many of the 200 spilling out off the pavement. There hadn't been an execution in the city since 1944, and a growing throng, a mix of the curious and passers-by on the way to work, stood side by side in silence as the clock struck the fateful hour. In the factories opposite, workers paused to look out the window towards a grim Victorian building. The prisoner who had been counting down his last minute earlier. Shortly after 9, a warder emerged and pinned the notices on the gate, showing the
Anybody home? Gordon? Gordon? There's another What I learned in the dream clinic, that's what I'm trying to tell her. Ron didn't kill Tina.
What are you doing, Jesse? Help me move this thing. It isn't the gas. Don't tell me it's not the gas. Your mother thought she's the gas.
Not in a blocked outdoors show chance would I eat that.
It's a cheap seat.
Fuck me. You look brilliant, remember?
not in a block.
Right. Well, it's sure not a leaky gas pipe.
You all right?
You set this whole thing up. What are you talking about? You know damn well what I'm talking about. What do you use? Firecrackers? You know what he did? He used a goddamn cherry gun.
Oh,
That's what he did.
Look, you can't talk to me like that.
Jesse, come back here. Jesse.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.